Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to soft reset your iPhone 11. This also works on all iPhone models. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once you see the Apple logo, you then can release. Also make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. You can let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been soft resetted.